Hey, it's Sherry, your independent consultant with Pampered Chef. And today we're going to make cheesy bacon bites, or as we call them in our house, cheesy bakey bites. And you're going to need a half pack of cream cheese. And I'm just going to cut this and dump it into my small classic batter bowl. You want this cream cheese to be a little bit stirred up, but it's going to get in. We're going to put some lovely bacon and onion with it. Now, I bet there are people in your house who don't like onion, and you can cook your onion beforehand a little bit, and they won't even know it's in there. And believe you me, I've done that for years. I have a son who thinks onions don't go in anything, and I am here to prove to you that it does. So I have a 1/4 cup of chopped cooked bacon and about 3 tablespoons of cooked onion that I chopped real fine so he wouldn't see it. And then I cooked it in the microwave a couple of minutes. And that's the only thing that goes in these lovely cheesy bakey bites. And I'm just stirring it up with this fine spoon. Because it's cream cheese and it's a little bit hard, you have to work it. Don't you love that banging on that edge of that bowl? That's one of my favorite things to do. That's when you know you've got a cook going on in the kitchen. It's when you banging on the edge of that bowl. All right, that looks great. Now we're going to get out the stone bar pan, and I'm putting 1 roll of crescent rolls out. I'm just going to unroll them. You can do this on a cutting board if you want to, but I'm actually going to teach you how you can do this and not have one pan that you have to wash. And we're going to use the baker's roller, and I'm going to roll it up here so that we don't have holes in it. More or less. Don't worry about it. Now we're going to use an offset spatula, and we're going to put this down about in the center of your crescent rolls. You know me, I like to let all them goodies out of the bowl. And I'm going to make it go all the way to the end. That's what this spreader is really good for. It's called an offset spatula spreader, and it's really good to get that where you need it to go. And before I roll it up and cut it, I'm going to put a little bit of black pepper on it, not too much. And then you're just going to lift this up and over. Let me go back over here. There's a bunch there on the end. We're going to get all the goodies in that. Now, I'm going to roll this over so that you'll have the seam on the bottom. And then I'm going to use a serrated knife and cut it in 2. And I'm going to cut it in 2 and in 2 and just keep having it like that, because you really just need these to be bite-sized pieces. And now looky here, I'm not even going to have a cutting board that I have to wash. And then you lay them down with the cut side down. And when you put them in the oven, because it's cream cheese, the cheese does not run all over creation the way cheddar cheese would. These are some lovely bakey bites. Even the end piece, I put that there because somebody's going to love it, and there was a piece of bacon, I just daubed it right up on top. And now I'm going to cut this one. Now these appetizer, snacks, bites, whatever you want to call it, they're really good at room temperature. So if you're going to a party or if you're having people come to your house, you don't even have to worry about it, because they will taste good no matter what. There you go. I'm going to stick these in the 350-degree oven for just a few minutes, and I'll come back and show you the end result. Okay, it's time to get these lovely bakey bites out of the oven. Oh my, can you imagine serving them to friends or family? And if you don't have one of these little spatulas, it's time you did. I probably have 5 or 6 of them that I cook with on a daily basis. All of the products that we've used are Pampered Chef products. We're going to post those products on my website underneath the video, and you can go to my website and find the recipe for cheesy bakey bites.